how to make your very own customized keyboard on an iOS device. So right now I have Rainbow Dash because who doesn't like My Little Pony? Just in case you're wondering, I'm going to make this Minecraft game because we are a Minecraft channel. So yeah, let's get started. The first step is to download Fancy Key from the App Store. This is for an iOS 8, by the way. So yeah. So once you download this, you have to go to Settings, go to General, Keyboards, and click Fancy Key. Since I've already set this up, it's already been set up, so I don't have to do that. Okay, so let's open Fancy Key. Okay, so after this you have to go onto the app, and you can either choose their ready-made keyboards, or you can choose your own. I'm going to choose my own because I want it customized and everything. So, you can either have it blurry, you can have it normal, or you can have it like this. I don't really like this very much because you can't see any of it. So let's choose this. Then you can customize your keyboard. So let's say if you wanted any of these, I will choose this. Let's say put colour into it. Size will be a bit in the middle. Highlight just a bit. Outer shadow a tiny bit. Radiant tiny bit. Yeah, basically that. You can also change the sound of the keyboard, but yeah, most of them are locked and you have to buy it. So yeah, you can also change the display font, but most of them are locked again. All of them are locked apart from one, and same with the tapping effects. Okay, so now you save your keyboard. Let it save. And you apply it. So let's see if it works. See? And now you've got your very own customized keyboard. So that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like the video and want to see more, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe.